Hi, Canary.
Hi, Daph. Uh, Anything happened when I was gone?
I took down the poster,
I see.
and now my whole perception is ruined.
Whoa, what's going on?
My whole perception of vampires is fucking ruined.
Whoa. Hey, calm down. Let's go into my house. Let's talk about this. What's going on? Or your house. You could go in your house too.
I don't mind your house.
All right.
Vampires, for my entire life, I've known to believe are evil, and I
Mm-hmm.
find this book that says otherwise.
What?
I here. I found this book in the lake, all like over there somewhere. And in the story, I assume it's real because the place I found it was very childlike, child drawings everywhere, and I found that book and it described how there was a vampire that protected them, that
Makes
protected
sense.
the children, and now I don't know if it's I don't know what to believe anymore.
Hey. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Because now I got Masono planning to kill me.
Yeah, yeah,
I got
I
that to
know.
worry about. I
Hey. It's okay.
am losing it.
It's gonna be okay. You're not You're not gonna get hurt, okay?
You sure?
If we bill it,
Because
then
the way
yes.
that everyone slightly hates me.
I don't hate you.
You're too kind to hate anyone. As far as I know.
Well, let's start with your story. Why do you. What happened?
Uh I was 7 when I'm pretty sure. The memory goes far back. I can't recall all of it. But my uncle visited my home to like brotherly bond with my dad, and everything went well till like midnight. I heard noises. I went to my parents' room and mm, saw him killing my parents, eating them, and sucking their blood till they were dry.
I'm so sorry, Daph. That. That. It's not. First off, it's not your fault if you ever blame yourself.
I mean, I was only 7. What could I have done?
I
I was,
know.
and then
I understand.
I had
I
to flee.
understand.
Ran away. Thankfully, I had a neighbor that was very kind and yeah, let me live there for the night. But then after that, investigations couldn't find it, my uncle, and I became an orphan for almost my entire teenage life. And I'm 23 now, still alone.
Not if I can help it. You're not alone, okay?
You're too kind.
I understand what you've gone through. It's not a pretty thing. I've been so unsure about how well you've been handling things and such, because I know how scary they are. I've dealt with a lot of them.
The
I
vampires?
yes, I grew
But
up around them.
like they influenced your life, or you were part of a family with them, or they tormented
They
you?
a mix of both, mix of all of that. Um, do you want a baked potato?
I have my own, and
That's all right.
a whole satchel of food, bread.
That's nice. Um, I don't really like talking about it. Um, but where I grew up, um, it was miscellaneous of many things. It was my home. It was my prison. It was a cult. It was a company colony. It was hell. It was heaven. It was everything and nothing at all. It it I went through many things there, but in there I've met both good and bad vampires, because it's not what you are, it's what you do. And what your uncle did was absolutely reprehensible. Sure, he may have been hungry, but he shouldn't have done that to his loved ones, or to anyone for that matter.
You've had it worse.
I know.
Have you had
But
anyone
had anyone what?
to vent to?
Um,
Or am I the
no.
first?
Well, I told um I told Misty about it in the woods after I thought he was gone for good.
What happened? You don't have to tell me. I wouldn't force that upon you.
What happened to Misty, or what happened to me?
What happened to Misty, and I guess what happened to you if you're not comfortable.
No, it's okay. It's just not really my secret to tell, if you know what I mean. Um, I don't trust Misono,
Me neither.
and it's not because he's a vampire, but because there's just something
Wrong
about
about his
him.
actions?
Yeah, he acts all nice and such, but
With
my stomach, it
others.
with others, yes. But some things that he says, it reminds me way too much of home.
Sitting closer so I can put my hand on your shoulder. Pat.
It's okay.
Pat, I don't really. I'm not good at comforting.
That's okay. I may not be the best at it either.
I'm glad I had someone to talk to about this.
I'm glad too. This sort of thing, it's a lot to take in. It's a lot to hold in.
Um, I feel like I should be like I should apologize to someone for my actions since I've been after vampires for years, but some are good, some are bad. I don't know what to do. I don't want to apologize to Misono. I don't like him, and I believe he's genuinely just evil because of his actions and his many threats.
Yeah.